2010 Toyota Camry cabin air replacement. There's a glove box. You've got these little nubs on either side that you have to, I've already pulled this out or else I'd show you. And what you do is squeeze the two sides together really hard and drop the mailbox. Here is the, you push this in, you push that in, pull it out. There's the cabin air filter, and it's actually, whoever put it in upside down. See where it says up? Pull that one out. Let's have a look. Ooh, that's nasty. All right. One second. All right, here we go. You know what? Let me reach up in there. Even this has the word up on it. Nothing is made for big people. Nothing is made for people with big hands. Nothing. But, fortunately, I have more than enough cuss words. Tell you what. Oh my God, I'll tell you what. Let me get my hand in there. God. All right. Let me get this glove box back in there. And I wish I could show you how to do it, but some little things there. Back just like that. All right. Now, this goes over that, and all that crap goes back in there, and we're done. This is just a public service announcement because there's not a lot of these places around. If anybody needs their as galvanized, this is the place to get it done.